this is me, JakeTheFox. We'll go back to my video. It's a windy / and beautiful day. After JakeTheFox Headquarters. It's Friday morning, and I forget what time it is. I always forget, guys. I always do. But hey guys, I'm just sitting underneath the in the carport right now. And I just got done putting some more lights up, which I'll show you guys right now. Alright guys, so as you can see, I just got done hanging these lights up, and like I said, they're actually pretty nice. So they begin right there, come out here, they come across this way, and then they end right there. So yeah, so it's pretty nice. And guys, and also in a little bit maybe I'm gonna get the full 50, and I'm gonna move this because I'm thinking of making this area my little lounge area. Like if me and my friends want to hang out down here, then we could. So I'll probably move this probably over to where I will park the JakeTheFox mobile. So that's probably what I'll do in a little bit. So whenever I'm ready, I'm gonna get up and I'm gonna move this. So I'll try to you guys a little bit. And just like that, guys, it's moved. I moved it over in the other carport. You guys like can't really see it, but it's over there, and yep. So now it looks really good. So, geez, the wind. Jesus God. Anyway, guys, I don't know if I should move my. Whoa. Jesus God. Holy God. Wind, just stop already. Jeez, I don't know if I got that on video, but there was a tree when it fell down. I don't know if I got it on video or not. But oh my God. Anyway, guys, oh my God. I was saying, I don't know if I should move my plow. I mean, I think it's okay, like where it is, because there ain't really where else I could put it. So I might just leave it there. So yeah, guys. So so this will be now. This will be the new JakeTheFox lounge, you know. So you guys might see some videos out here in this lounge area right here. So I could put a couple of chairs right here, and me and my friends can hang out down here, like talk about some stuff. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. Check back. All right, guys. So something really bad just happened. So well, not really bad, but there was a tree that just fell down as my mom was going on this hill here, because my mom's going down to take care of one of the other neighbors down there, and she came down the hill here, and one of the trees fell down right in front of her, and it almost hit her truck. It almost did. So Hey guys, so I'm gonna get my shoes on, well my boots on, and I'm gonna go to Walmart with her because we're going shopping for some stuff. So yeah, so we're gonna see what we can do here. Check back. Alright guys, so we just got done shopping at Walmart. We got everything I need. I also got mud boots, so next time we work on a job and if the ground is really wet, then I'm definitely gonna bring my new mud boots with me. So yeah, so we went there, and now we're at Sheets because I'm hungry. So and I gotta get something to eat. So holy God, the wind is shaking the wind is shaking the truck right now. I can feel it. But yeah, we're at Sheets right now. I'm gonna get something to eat, and then we're gonna go to the wine distributor because my dad needs some wine. So yeah, so I don't know what I'm gonna do for the rest of the day. I'm probably just gonna sit and chill probably because my dad wants me to go to work tomorrow. So yeah guys, so I'm just gonna sit here, wait for my mom to come out, and I'll check out you guys probably once we're back home. Alright guys, so I just got back home, and my God, it is absolutely windy out here. And I'm in the woods right now, and the reason for that is because I'll be doing some work on the creek now. I'm gonna make the water flow a little bit more nicer, because this creek right here, this flows all the way to Quable's pond. So yeah, hey guys, all this water is flowing right down the Quable's pond. It goes down the hill there. It goes under the road, and then out to the pond out there. So this where this water's coming from. Alright guys, so I'm gonna do some more work on the creek now, and I'll check out you guys a little bit. Alright guys, so the water is flowing really good now. Yeah, it's flowing really good now, so that should give some more water. So alright guys, looks pretty good here. I'll check out you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so that's gonna do it for this one. Next, watch it guys, and if you enjoy, give it a big like, and hope you enjoy what you saw today in the video. And to make sure you guys go watch my last video I uploaded today. So make sure you guys go watch that, and hope you guys enjoy this video. And please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Jake the Fox, Jake the Fox, Jake the Fox, Jake. Boom, 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 boom. Jake the Fox, Jake the Fox, Jake the Fox, Jake.